Hey friends, we are excited to share one of our favorite new plants for spring of 26, and that is Rosemary Blue Cascade. This is an Ohio hardy rosemary up to zone 6, so once it's established, it just keeps showing up year after year. What also makes it unique is that the Blue Cascades trails beautifully up to about 24 inches long, making it perfect for hanging baskets, patio planters, and container gardens. It's well behaved, topping off around 18 inches tall, so it adds drama to your garden without taking over. For culinary purposes, this has a classic rosemary flavor, so you can snip it fresh for cooking, toss it in your veggies, add it on top of your favorite protein, or include it in other favorite recipes that might use traditional rosemary. In addition, it has blue flowers that appear throughout the growing season, coming and going from spring through fall. It's nice because this general pop of color also attracts pollinators along the way. So truly, this is a beautiful plant, but also functional at the same time. This is a pre-order for a trio of 3 plants, so if you're looking for that plant that smells amazing, looks stunning, tastes great, and doesn't demand much in return, Rosemary Blue Cascade belongs in your cart. And as a quick reminder, if you place more than one pre-order, we'll automatically combine everything into one easy pickup when the plants are ready this spring. Thanks so much for your orders. We can't wait to see you soon.